The Destroyer Budgie Christmas Tree Shirt is a unique and eye-catching addition to your holiday wardrobe. With its distinctive design featuring a charming budgerigar playfully interacting with a Christmas tree, this shirt is sure to bring a touch of whimsy and merriment to your festive celebrations. Our commitment to quality is evident in the choice of materials for the Destroyer Budgie. This shirt is not just a piece of clothing. It's a statement piece that allows you to express your unique style and personality during the holiday season. The playful budgie perched on the Christmas tree adds a fun and light-hearted touch to your attire, making it a conversation starter at any holiday gathering. Destroyer Budgie Christmas Tree Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women. Destroyer Budgie Christmas Tree Shirt. 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 The Destroyer Budgie Christmas Tree Shirt is a versatile choice for various holiday occasions. Whether you're joining a festive party, decorating your own Christmas tree, or simply enjoying a cozy evening by the fireplace, this shirt will keep you in the holiday spirit. Its combination of comfort, style, and heartwarming Christmas-themed design makes it a must-have for your seasonal wardrobe. When you wear this shirt, you not only show your appreciation for the holiday season but also support American manufacturing. The use of 100% cotton ensures a breathable and enjoyable wearing experience, and its domestic production contributes to local businesses and employment. In summary, the Destroyer Budgie Christmas Tree Shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a festive statement that combines comfort, style, and a touch of holiday whimsy. Crafted from top-quality 100% cotton and proudly made in the United States, it's the perfect choice to elevate your holiday wardrobe while celebrating the season and supporting local industry. Add this unique and charming shirt to your holiday collection, and you'll be sure to make a lasting impression during this magical time of year. Other products.